Want to learn how to make money selling print-on-demand t-shirts? You are in the right video. So in this video, I'm going to be taking you step by step how to create a print-on-demand t-shirt website using Shopify and Printful. So I'm going to be showing you all the process you need to get started. So right now I'm on Shopify page. So when we talk about Shopify, Shopify is an e-commerce platform that allows you to create e-commerce store. And when I'm talking about Printful, Printful offers print-on-demand service. So you to create your print-on-demand website, you need a print-on-demand service, which we are going to be using Printful, and a platform for creating the store. So we are going to be connecting these two services together in order to create our store. So if you are new to this channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, and the bell icon beside the subscribe button. So to get started with Shopify, so once you're on the Shopify page, you click on Start Free Trial. So this is the page, it says start the 14 days free trial. So what you do here is to enter your email, your password, and then your store name. So once you are done, you click on create your store. So the next page, you see some questions or some survey. So just fill it, and then you click on enter my store. So once you do that, you will arrive on this page where you see your free trial just get started. So next thing we are going to do is to connect our Shopify store with our Printful account. So to do that, let's go to Printful. So now I'm on the Printful page. So if you are new to Printful, what you have to do now is to sign up. So once you click on the sign up button, you enter your email, your name, and your password, and then you'll be able to sign up. So right here, I'm already on my Printful account. So I already have an account with Printful already. So once you sign up, you'll be asked to confirm your email. So the next thing we'll want to do is to connect our Printful account with our Shopify account. So from your Printful dashboard, you click on stores. So once you click on stores, then you see the option of to choose platform. So you click on it. So we are working with Shopify. You can see with Printful, you can connect it with different e-commerce platforms. So but right now we are working with Shopify. So you click on connect. So this will take you to Shopify App Store. So if you have this option right here now, I'm currently logged in, but you might see this showing you login. So that means you have to log in. So now I'm already logged into to the store that we've just created. That is Shop for T-shirts. So you click on Add App. So you scroll down and click on Install App. So once you're on this page, then you log in with login details you used to sign up to Printful, and then you confirm your connection. So with this now, we've successfully connected our Printful account with our Shopify account. So now let me go back to my Printful. So now let me go back to Printful account. So what we want to do now is to create a product template. So to do that, if you click on product templates, so I already have some product templates here, but if you are viewing this page, you won't be having any product templates. So what you have to do is to click on new templates. So with Printful, they offer different print-on-demand service. Apart from t-shirts, they have other things they offer, like kids clothing, accessories, homes and living. Under homes and living, we have coffee mugs, blankets, stickers. Under accessories, we have bags, phone cases, jewelries. So it's the same process for everything. So we are working. So I'm going to be working with t-shirts. So I'll click on t-shirts. So I'll select the type of t-shirt I want to use. So once you select it, the next thing is, once you're on this page, you can drop the design that you want to use here. So once I click drop design, so I already have some designs here. If you don't have any design, you click on upload, and then you'll be able to upload your design. So once I select the design I want to use, I click on choose. So you can adjust the design. So that is it for the design. So if I should click on products, so this is where I can select the colors. If I want to add all the colors, I just click on select all colors, or I can just randomly pick some colors. So once you are done, you click on continue. So right here you enter the product template title for the sizes. If I click on sizes, so add sizes. If you want to add all the sizes, so you click on select all, and then you click on save product templates. So this is the process you are going to go through to create as many product templates that you want to create. So the next thing now is to push this product to our store. So to do that, if I should click on these three dots and I click add to store, so I'll select the store. So with Printful you can add more than one store to your Printful account. So right here you select stocked in, so that is where you want. Is that all products ship worldwide. Fulfillment location is set based on shipping destination, routing preference, and stock availability. So you click on stocked in and select any of this location that is close to your customers that you are targeting. So you select the colors, the size, and then you click on proceed to mockup. So right here what's showing that discontinued variant is telling you that for this size XS, these colors are not available. So it's just a notification to let you know. So once you click on proceed to mockup, so here you choose the mockup style you want. Is it men mockup, women mockup, or couples mockup? So here you are going to choose what is going to appear at the front of your store. So you can select which one you want. Is it the black or this, or the leaf color, or the yellow? Whichever one you want to appear at the front of your store, you select it. So here we have the option of adding additional mockup. So if I should click on it, so there's option to choose additional mockup, and then the additional mockup also we can have it in another color. So you say choose one color. So maybe I want additional mockup to be this color. So then I click on proceed to detail. So here I'll enter the product title. You enter your product title. You already have description already. Printful will already give you a description, but if you have something better, you can give it, or you leave it like this. So here is the size guide. So once you are done, you proceed to pricing. So look at something. It said set your desired profit and configure the retail price for you. So this is the price that Shopify will charge for the shirt, for this shirt based on the sizes, and then this is the retail price, and this is your profit. So you can decide to adjust this, maybe increase or reduce your profit, but make sure when you're adding your profit, and then the retail price will be something reasonable. So once you are done, you click on submit to store. So here it's showing us that adding new product to store. Okay, so now let's go back to our Shopify store. If I should click on products, so now this is the product that we've just created. So let's preview it. So this is what the product is currently looking like. You can see the colors. These are the colors we selected, and then all the sizes. So let me see. I'm trying to see if there's a particular color that was not available. So if it is not available, it will write here unavailable, but all these are currently available. So once they click on buy it now, they'll be able to buy it. So now we've been able to connect our store and then to add products. So if you go back to our Printful account, another thing I want to mention is adding our billing method. So once I click on billing, and then select billing method. So this is where you are going to add a billing method. What this means is that so that when you receive orders on your Shopify store, how you are going to be making payment, because the process is very simple. Once you create your store, you link them together and you add products. Any order you receive on your store, so once you receive an order on your store, the order will also appear on your Printful account. So it will appear here, orders. It will appear here, and this is where you are now going to make the order on Printful. So once Printful receive the order, they are going to print the t-shirt and then deliver it to your buyer. So that is how the process. That's how the process works. So now that you've known how to create your own Shopify store and then connect it with your Printful account, another thing we want to do now is how to create a Facebook ad that you're going to be using to get traffic to your store. Before I go ahead and show you how to create run a Facebook ad for your Shopify print-on-demand t-shirt website, if you notice that in this video I didn't really go into customizing your store, designing it and stuff like that, adding page menu and all stuff like that. So that's because I have a separate video that covers that. You can see how to create a print-on-demand t-shirt website with Shopify and Printful. So this is a 1 hour 33 minutes video. I'll leave a link to this video in the description. So this will explain to you step by step, how to go through some other process that I didn't mention in the course of this video. So this video is just a walkthrough to show you some of these things. But in this video, I didn't cover Facebook, but you can kindly check it out. I'll leave a description to it. It is more detailed on how to create, for example, how to create something like this. You can see this is a print-on-demand t-shirt website. What I use here is Shopify and then Printful. So kindly check. So now let's head over to Facebook and let me walk you through the process of creating a Facebook ad for your Shopify print-on-demand store. Ad manager account. So before we start creating the ad, the first thing I want to do, so this is another product on the store, this shop for t-shirt. This is another product that we are going to be using for the Facebook ad. So the first thing I want to do is to go to the page I want to use to run the ad. So this is one of my pages. And by the way, if you don't know how to create a page, it's a very simple process. But if you still find it difficult, or maybe you don't know how to create a page on Facebook, you can check this post on my blog, how to create a Shopify Facebook page. So I'm going to leave the link to this blog post in the description of this video. You can see it comes with pictures and to guide you through the process. So if you're on your page, once you click on create a page, so you're going to create something that about the ad that you want to run. So what you are going to do is to download this image. So I already have it downloaded. So on this page, so you write something about the ad. So I have something for it. So I'll just copy it. So here it says, show some love to that special someone. Get this love theme t-shirt for $22.99 only. So click here to buy it now. So click here to buy it now. Now I'm going to enter the link to the products page, that is to this page. So what I'll just do is to copy this link. Now this link looks too long. Instead of putting it directly, so I can decide to put it directly, but to me it is looking too long. So what I want to do is to make is to shorten the link. So I can use bit.ly. So the link has been shortened, so I'll take that link, and then instead of having this, so I'll post this short link. So here we have, it says show some love to that special someone. Get this love theme t-shirt for $22.99 only. So click here to buy it now. So here is the link. So I'm going to add the product image. So I already have it downloaded. Then I click on post. So it's posting. So this is it. So if someone should click on this link, it will take them to the product page, and they'll be able to buy it, add to cart or buy it immediately. So now that we've already have the product on our page, so let's go back to the ad manager. So to create an ad, you click on create. So here you are going to choose our campaign objective. For this kind of ad, we are going to be looking at the conversion. So we are going to be selecting conversion. Then you click on continue. Okay, so let's give it a name here. So always give it a name so it to be easy for you to identify it on your ads manager accounts. So once you've had a name, so the next thing we are going to do is to scroll down. Let's click on next. So now let's set our budget for this ad. So we are going to leave it as daily budget. So then you set how much you want to run on the ad. Depending on your budget, you can set either a $5, $10 or $20 per day on ad. So right now my own account is in Naira, so that's why I'm having this figure. So you can start out with a $5 per day ad. So you're going to put in 5 depending on your currency. So I'm using Naira, like I said, that's why I'm having this. So then you set your start date and then and then your end date. That means when you want to start running the ad and when you want the ad to come to an end. If you're not putting an end date, it's just going to keep using your budget, so pay attention to that. So then under audience, you are going to create to select those that we want to target. So those you want to target, you enter their location, you enter the age. So for this kind of ad, for example, now I will prefer to target people in their early 20s. So people from their early 20s. So also I can just click on edit. So for age, let's say I want to start from the age of 22. Then for gender, I will leave it as odd gender because of the ad. We have both. It's a unisex t-shirt, so you can target both male and female. So the language, you can decide to set that as all languages. Then we come to placement. So for placement, you select always select that as manual placement. So instead of having it on all platforms, so I only want it to appear on Facebook, and not just only on Facebook, I want it to appear on the news feed. So I'm going to uncheck other options like the Facebook Marketplace, video feeds, Facebook group feeds. So I'll uncheck all this. So I click on next. So now is to select the page where we have the post or the page that we want to use to run the ad. So if you have different pages on your account, you're going to click here and then look for that page where you want to use or where you have the post. So here is mine. So under ad setup, if you click on create ad, so we are going to be using an existing post because we already have the post on our Facebook page. So I click on use existing post, select post. So here is the post. So once I select it, I click on continue. Okay, so here is the ad showing up here. It's showing us what it's going to look like. So here we are going to add the call to action button. So if I should click call to action, so this is what like we have listen now, play game. So for something like this, we are going to be using shop now. So there are other options there, like maybe sign up. That means if you are running an ad and you want people to sign up, or maybe a video, watch more, or maybe like a vacancy or something, or you can use apply now. So but for this ad, we are going to be using shop now, and then we enter the URL. So that will be the link to the product. So let me copy it. So paste, and I click on updates. So I haven't done that. So you scroll down and then you click on publish. So once you click on publish, Facebook is going to review your ad. If the ad is good, is okay with meets up with the Facebook terms and it's approved by Facebook, then the ad will start running based on the time you set for it to start running. So now let's go back to our store. So if you notice that in this video, I'm currently on the home page. I didn't really cover the customization part of Shopify, maybe how to customize your store and stuff like that. So that's because I already have a video that discusses about that, how to create a print-on-demand t-shirt website with Shopify and Printful, which I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video. So I want you to go ahead and watch this video. It's going to help you in how to customize your store so you can have something like this. So this is another print-on-demand t-shirt store which I created with Shopify and then Printful, so you can see the menu. So I'll leave a link to that in the description of this video. So with that, guys, if you find this video helpful, kindly click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel. Do make sure you like and you share this video. If you have any question or any comments for me, kindly leave it in the comment section below, and I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.